Hi, I'm John Walsh, and I assume you're here because you or a family member or friend has had a serious injury. I have 4 tips to help you start the process of pursuing an injury claim. Tip number 1, know the lawyer you hire. Now that sounds simple, but let me explain. Some law firms have people at the courthouse and the police station collecting accident reports. They'll send you a letter with a nice brochure with their firm name on it. Another law firm will hire a TV actor. He'll be on television repeating the law firm name over and over and over. Both of those firms will promise you a free consultation. But when you walk into that office, don't be surprised if you don't meet the people or the attorneys whose name you've heard advertised. Don't be surprised if you meet with a paralegal or meet with an investigator, because they're screening cases, trying to decide who to assign them to. When you have a serious accident, a serious injury, you deserve to meet personally with the attorney responsible for your case. Tip number 2, in serious injury cases, do not give an initial interview. Now let me explain that. After an accident, you'll have an insurance investigator or an insurance adjuster come to your door or call you at home. First, I'm not anti-insurance. I trained as an insurance attorney. Many of my partners represent insurance companies. But the simple fact is that you don't want to give an interview immediately or shortly after the accident. Why? Because you want to give it at the right time. And what's the right time for an interview? I'll say it this way. I will always allow an insurance company to interview my client. But the right time for that interview is after I've evaluated the facts, I know my client's injury, and we know the details of the accident and the insurance coverage issues. When you've finished your homework, by all means, cooperate and participate in an interview. Tip number 3, forget your preconceptions about insurance policies. The simple fact is that in the last few years, the Wisconsin legislature, the Wisconsin insurance commissioner, the insurance companies themselves, and the healthcare plans have gone through a whole series of changes. And when you represent a client now with an injury case, you have to sort through all of those various changes, because depending on the day of the accident, depending upon the year involved, depending on when the policy was issued, you'll have a whole series of legal issues involved that really weren't present a few years ago. The other thing is that it's very important to understand that in many cases, it's a good idea for you to have your health insurance company cover all your treatment first. Now this depends upon the policy language, and one of the things the lawyer has to do is sort through your auto policy, the other driver's policy or the other insurance company's policy, as well as your health plan. But in most instances, we are recommending these days that you have your own health insurance cover your treatment first. Tip number 4, take advantage of injury attorneys' offer of a free consultation. Every professional injury attorney I know offers a free consultation. You consult with them, there's no fee, there's no cost, there's no obligation whatsoever. In that consultation, they'll review your accident, your injuries, they'll review the insurance coverage issues involved, but you'll get the benefit of their free advice. I recommend you obtain that advice, get that free consultation, take advantage of us. Get that consultation before you give an interview and before you make any major decisions on your case. Like I say, most lawyers will offer it. We at Axley Brenelson, we will offer a free consultation. We'll give you our best judgment. If I can help you, please give us a call.